3, 2, 1.
What type of roads and parking lots prevent rainwater from soaking into the ground? The answer is B, paved. What is the largest art museum in the world by exhibiting space? The answer is B, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. What type of pasta is Caserex? The answer is D, shaped pasta. Who wrote the opera The Magic Flute? The answer is A, Mozart. The Great Barrier Reef is in which country? The answer is B, Australia. What is the orange-fleshed vegetable served as a Thanksgiving side dish in many countries? The answer is B, pumpkin. Which city is known as the fashion capital of the world? The answer is C, Paris. What does Gigantoltera mean? The answer is A, the Giant's Destroyer. What is Wittgenstein's famous work called? The answer is A, Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus. Which book is about a dystopian society named Panem? The answer is A, The Hunger Games. What is always at a loss for words? The answer is D, printer. What is fantasy writer Terry Pratchett's astrological sign? The answer is B, Taurus. What is the name of the art style that literally means rebirth in French? The answer is D, Renaissance. In what year did Ernest Hemingway die? The answer is B, 1961. In medical terms, what is a CVA? The answer is A, stroke. Who was the leader of Nazi Germany during WW2? The answer is A, Adolf Hitler. What movie title was translated I Portugal as a very crazy dead man? The answer is B, Weekend at Bernie's. What happens to water when it boils? The answer is C, it changes into water vapor. Hurley's unlucky numbers include 4, 8, 15, and 3 of the others listed, which is not one of them. The answer is B, 36. What is the name of the Greek hero who was half man, half bull? The answer is C. Centaur. Which book features the characters Jay Gatsby, Daisy Buchanan, and Nick Carraway? The answer is A. The Great Gatsby. What is the longest fingernail on a woman? The answer is D. 204.1 cm. Which sport involves doubles and a paddle? The answer is C. Table tennis. Which animated character is a superhero in a blue suit with a cape? The answer is A. Superman. What is the name of the traditional English dish made from pork trimmings and pig's head? The answer is D. Brawn. Who is credited with inventing the arch? The answer is B. Galileo Galilei. Which of these cities, described by fantasy fiction writer Christopher Paolini, is not located in Dueldenbarden? The answer is D. Burov. Which virtual assistant is produced by Amazon? The answer is C. Alexa. How does sedimentary rock form? The answer is D. Sediments compress. Which fruit floats in water? The answer is C. Watermelon. What do you call the lightless part of the ocean? The answer is A. Aphotic zone. The simplest organic compounds have hydrogen and what else? The answer is B. Carbon. What were the Carac and Caravel, whose development in the 15th century in Portugal enabled more widespread exploration of the world? The answer is A. Types of ships. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? The answer is B. Buzz Aldrin. What river runs through the city of Bangkok, Thailand? The answer is A. Mekong. Which company created the first electric car, the Waverley? The answer is A. Tesla. What does the driving of turbines by the heating of water to steam accomplish? The answer is D. Generation of electricity. Which game features a plumber as its protagonist? The answer is A. Mario. Who first proposed the theory of the unconscious mind? The answer is A. Sigmund Freud. Who is the author of Fahrenheit 451? The answer is B. Jules Verne. Which of these dishes would you most expect to find in Costa Rica? The answer is A. Gallo Pinto. Which is the only country that has coastlines on both the Arctic and Pacific Oceans? The answer is B. Russia. What tool is used for mixing substances? The answer is D. Mixing spatula. How old was Bobby Fischer when he won the U.S. Chess Championship on January 8, 1958? The answer is A. 14. What special gift does the young Dalai Lama receive from Tibetan monks in the beginning of the 1997 movie 7 Years in Tibet? The answer is B. A music box. What impressive physical characteristic did Charles Darwin possess, which made the Bank of England use his image for the £10 note in 2000? The answer is D. Large beard. What is the primary function of a keyboard? The answer is A. Typing. What is the name of the hottest day of the year in a climate region? The answer is A. Summer solstice. When thinking of the rate at which two gases mix, it is inverse proportional to the density of what? The answer is B. Gas. When female mammalian embryos consist of just a few thousand cells, one X chromosome in each cell inactivates by condensing into a structure called what?